but you're always catching up on what people say they're doing, not what's actually happening right in front of you. Point to the lake, where a family of ducks